Hello, welcome to the Summer Reading Club 2022 registration tutorial from the Longview Public Library. In this video, I'm going to walk you through signing up for Summer Reading Club on Beanstack. This year, both our children's and adult summer reading clubs are available on Beanstack, so you can use a new or existing account for the whole family. So first thing, we're going to navigate to the library's Beanstack page, and it's important to remember that Beanstack is a national website with lots of sites for schools and libraries all over the country, so we want to make sure we're on the right one. You can find several links to Beanstack on our library homepage here, or you can go to the address bar and type in this address, LongviewTexas.Beanstack.org. Okay, so here we are on our Beanstack homepage. You should see the Bookstack Lighthouse and the Oceans of Possibility slogan. At this point, we're assuming you're an adult, you have a valid email address, and you want to track your reading online. Later on, I'll talk to you about how you can track your reading through other means without using the computer. The first thing you need to do is click this button on the bottom left. We'll scroll down just a little bit. We're going to click register an individual or family. The class or group option is things for daycares and summer camps and things like that. Okay, so this first question is going to ask you if you've participated in a Beanstack challenge before. And so if you have an existing account, you can sign in here, or and then you'll update your readers' information and things like that. We're going to assume that you have not and click no. And then it's asking who you would like to register. So if you're an adult and you don't want to participate in the program, you just want your children to participate, then you can start here. But you can also always add readers on later once you have made your account. So we're going to go through, I am registering myself and register for the adult program, and then we can add the children later. So here's where it's going to ask for some information about you. And so we're just going to put in some information here. And it wants this information so that it can contact you and all that kind of stuff. And you do have to have a valid email address. And it's going to ask you for your phone number. And we'll just put in a phone number. I hope this isn't actually anyone's phone number. If you get calls, sorry. And then we'll put in a zip code here. For Longview, it asks for a password. It doesn't have any real parameters other than that it has to be 6 characters long. If you make an account with us and you come into the library, we can set your account up, and it's going to require that it will set your account password as Beanstack. Okay, so now it's going to ask how old you are, and it has our full range up to 18, and then adults are just 19 plus. And so if you click 19 plus, then it's only going to offer you the adult challenge. If you click 18, then it will offer you both the adult summer reading club challenge and the children's teen summer reading club challenge, and you have to choose between those. Even for adults, it asks about this grade level question, and it's required, but there's an adult blank here at the bottom. We can skip what school you'll attend. And then these last 2 questions ask if you would like to receive the library's newsletter and if you would like to receive book recommendations. A quick note on the recommendations is that they come from Beanstack, not from our library, and so it may recommend titles that we don't have. And what's important to know about these 2 is if you answer no to both of them, then there's a chance that Beanstack won't record permission to send you emails at all. And so you will need to update your permissions and allow Beanstack to send you emails so that you can recover your password and things like that. If that happens and you get locked out of your account, we can always set it for you at the library as well. So we'll click next. Oh, I missed our phone number. I didn't put enough digits. There we go. Let's add a 5. Okay, then we'll click next. All right, and that gives you your account. It automatically enrolls you into the appropriate reading club. And so we unlocked this badge for signing up for the Adult Summer Reading Club. And so I'll dismiss that notification there. And it says, great, you're all set up. So I'll continue. And this is our home page. So from here, we can log our reading. we can click on our name up here to add readers or to edit readers' information, and then we can click on the gear icon to edit our account, and we can edit the information that we input in those fields starting up, or we can sign out of our account and come back later. The last thing I'm going to show you is how to add a reader. So if we wanted to add some younger readers on this account for the other program, so we could register another adult. If you have more than one adult that's going to use the same account, you could do that. Or I can be an adult registering a child, and so I'll register that one. And we'll put in some child information. It's going to ask for the age, and this is going to determine which program they're eligible for. Our programs go from 0 to 5, then from 6 to 12, and then from 13 to 18. And so we're going to register a 15-year-old, and we're going to choose a grade level. Our 15-year-old is going to be in 10th grade. And then it asks for which school they attend. This isn't required, but this just helps us to understand what our outreach is and things like that. And so we'll say that we're going to Hallsville ISD. And then, again, it asks about the newsletter. If you answer yes to any one on your account, then you should receive the newsletter. And then with the recommendations, that depends on the individual reader. And so each reader could sign up for recommendations, and you'll get recommendations for those readers to the email that's associated with the account. Okay, so we'll click next. And it automatically enrolled our reader in the 13 to 18 program. And so anytime you sign up for an account, it's going to automatically enroll you in the Summer Reading Club program. And unless you're that 18-year-old, and then it'll ask you to choose between this program, the teen program, or the adult program that we signed up for earlier. All right, and then it'll ask you if you'd like to add another one. We're going to click no and go ahead and wrap up our process. And that's it. So now you have your own Beanstack account. And you can start logging your reading starting on June 6th when the programs open, and that's for the adult program and the children's programs. A quick note, if you want to register for these programs and you don't have a valid email address, or you would prefer not to use the computer to log, both options have paper options. For the Adult Summer Reading Club program, you can come into the library and fill out paper tickets that will be uploaded to our raffle for you. Or you can, for the children's program, you can get a paper log and fill that out manually to receive prizes as well. So this has been our tutorial. If you have any questions, always feel free to come into the library and ask at our circulation desk or children's desks, and we can get you the information you need or get you pointed in the right direction. And thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, like I said, feel free to come in to the library or give us a call. Thanks for watching.